Hi,
Hello,
I'm John.
I'm Colleen.
I'm producer at Locanimals.
And I am doing an independent study working on social media and marketing.
So she's our intern.
I'm intern number one. So I joined the team in the past couple of weeks, and my first task was to do a plan for our social media. And so as you may have noticed, we already have a post up on our new Tumblr page, and we are starting to post on our Facebook page as well. So pretty soon in the next few weeks, you'll see us really using our Tumblr, our Facebook, our Twitter, and now YouTube.
Our semesters just started off here at Locanimals, and we decided to begin by figuring out what the heck do we want to do for the next 15 weeks. So we pretty much envisioned what game we wanted. From there, we brainstormed and ideated even more ideas on what features we would want to add, how we would want to make the game better. And there, we did a huge session of prioritization, basically figuring out we have all these features, they all sound cool, who wouldn't want to do some of the things we're thinking about, but we need to figure out what's most important and what will help us accomplish what we want to with this game.
So last semester, when we were having people playtest the game, we were really focusing on whether or not we could get the basic gameplay, but we found out that people really wanted to have more engagement and more decisions in their battles.
So the problem was a lot of Locanimals were basically mashing buttons. They had no concrete kind of play style. Each one didn't feel unique. They were a little boring. You could just keep pressing attack and win the game. But we really wanted each Locanimal to have their own kind of personality, and their moves amplify basically what their personality is.
So what that ended up meaning was, in addition to designing more moves, we had to look at the system we were using to implement the moves. So we ended up basically breaking down into what we thought the core building blocks we needed were, and now we're implementing those into the game system so that we have a lot of ways you can put them together to create really interesting and unique moves. So when we were first brainstorming ideas for Locanimals, whenever we were in the process of pitching the project, we thought about incorporating the idea of geocaching. We think it's a really neat idea and a fun game system, but we weren't quite sure how we were going to do it. We didn't really have time in our first semester. So once we realized we were really lacking a lot of story and motivation for people to go out and go through the world, we saw geocaching as a great way to encourage that kind of behavior. So we came up with the idea to adapt that to a quest system, wherein going to different locations are basically objectives along your quest, and then once you complete a quest, you'll be rewarded in different ways.
We decided that if we wanted to pursue improving the battle system and working on story quests, that we needed another programmer. So we have another student at the ETC named another John.
Another John.
John, also known as intern number 2, to work on the story quests.
Yes, but I am still superior John.
This is still the primary John.
Yes. That pretty much wraps up our first video. We're really excited about this.
Yeah, and we hope you're excited to follow along with us on YouTube for the next 15 weeks, and we hope we come up with something great at the end.
Yeah, cool. Laters.
Bye!